Oh shit, look. Saravina Hotel. That's gotta be it.
You'll find safes to crack throughout The Last of Us 2, and if you can find the combination, there are plenty of rewards for opening them up. You might find weapons, supplements, scrap, useful gear, and even training manuals to upgrade Ellie's abilities. Coming up, we've got all 14 safe combinations as well as codes for a vault and a security door you can also open up.
Got it!
Obviously, because we'll be covering most of the game, there might be some minor spoilers past a certain point, so we'll flag that up with a clear warning, so keep an eye out for it and don't say we didn't warn you. Jackson Patrol Safe. When you're on patrol with Dina, you'll reach a market by climbing up this truck. Inside, you'll have to go in through some rooms, and after you squeeze through this gap in the wall, you'll find the safe behind the first door on your right. A nearby letter will tell you that the combination is the date my good boy got Employee of the Month. The code is on a notice board just outside, 07-2013, and he is a good boy. Yes, he is. Inside, you'll find some scrap and some supplements.
See that sign up there? On the building that says courthouse?
Downtown Seattle Courthouse Safe. To get to the safe inside the courthouse, you'll have to climb this truck to reach a window that will get you inside. There will be some infected you'll need to deal with before you can access the basement where you'll find the safe. It's in the office next to the elevators and you'll need to smash the windows to get in. The combination 860722 is on the whiteboard, and inside you'll find more scrap and supplements. Downtown Seattle Westlake Bank Vault. Not only do you get to rob a bank here, sort of, it's also the first chance you'll have to unlock the pump shotgun. You'll have to squeeze through the dark opening at the base of this building in downtown Seattle to get in, and once again there are infected to deal with inside. But once they've gone, you'll find the vault in the area behind the cashier counters. The combination is 602306, which you can find in the bag next to the body by the door. As well as finding the pump action shotgun inside, you might want to check the drawers for a little Easter egg. Downtown Seattle Gate West 2 Safe. This safe is tucked away at a checkpoint and easy to miss, as you can only get to it by squeezing through a gap in the fence. A message on the wall says to use the gate code, which you'll have on a note titled Checkpoint Gate Codes. The combination is 0451, a Deus Ex reference, and inside the safe you'll find supplements, scrap, a health pack, and most importantly, a collectible trading card. Capitol Hill Thrift Store Safe. Towards the end of the Capitol Hill level, you'll reach an area covered in trip mines, so be really careful. Assuming you don't boom yourself to death, you'll eventually pass through a martial arts gym and find a thrift shop full of old furniture near a yellow taxi. Through the door at the back, you'll find a notice board with a letter stating that a safe combination is the last 6 digits of Stacy's phone number. Through the door on the right, you'll find the phone number written on the bathroom, which will give you the safe code 550133. And through the door on the left, you'll find the safe along with a clicker. Surprise! Inside, you'll find ammo and a health pack. The Tunnel Safe. Not long after you have your first encounter with shamblers in the tunnels, you'll find yourself in a narrow corridor with a couple of side doors, one of which will lead to a break room with vending machines and a coffee pot. Inside, there's a door locked with a combination, and around the corner is a table with a note telling you to get a soda to find the code. Smash open the nearby vending machine and you'll get a soda can with a note that gives you the first 3 numbers of the combination, 152, and tells you to figure out the rest. Fortunately, the combination lock only has 5 buttons, so all you have to do is figure out where the 3 and the 4 go. We can tell you now that the final combination is 15243, and inside you'll find ammo, supplements and crafting supplies. Hillcrest Garage Safe. When you reach Hillcrest, you'll find this back alley garage you can access by moving aside a green dumpster. It's in the area with the bike store, a hair salon and tattoo parlour. Once you deal with the infected inside, you'll find a safe you'll want to open, as you'll get an extra gun holster for your efforts. However, the combination is on a kitchen wall across town in a closed up bar you can only access through a pet store on the other side of the main street. It's 308265 if you can't be bothered to check, and inside you'll find a gun holster, scrap, ammo and crafting supplies. The Seraphite's Apartment Bedroom Safe. When you set out on Route 5 to reach the hospital, you'll eventually see this apartment block. The main door is locked, but climb the truck outside to reach the balcony and get into the upper floor apartment on the right by breaking the window. There's a note on the table inside saying the safe combination is still set to our wedding date. I mean, it's been 30 years, but I assume you still remember when that was. The door at the back leads to both the safe and the calendar with 30th anniversary 10th of the 8th 13 on it. Subtract 30 years from the date to get the combination 100883 and open up the safe to get some ammo and supplies. The Seraphite's Weston's Pharmacy Safe. After your first big run-in with the Seraphites, you'll have a short swim to reach another part of the city and eventually reach Weston's pharmacy. Behind the cash register, you'll find a letter that mentions the safe code is 385523. The safe is hidden through a small hole in the wall between these two shelving units, and inside you'll find ammo, supplements, a health kit, crafting supplies, and an explosive arrow. The flooded city safe. When you're moving through the flooded city in your boat, you'll eventually reach a gate you can't pass until you use a chain to pull it up. Next to that is a locked off area with a safe inside. Check out the stairs and you'll find a room above with a body and a note that says the safe code is 701264. There's also a trolley you can move aside to find a tiny hole you can crawl through to reach a load of resources and the safe. Inside there you'll find scrap, supplements, ammo and crafting supplies. Okay, spoiler warning from this point. There's no huge plot reveals because we're just looking at safes, but you might find things on screen that won't make sense if you haven't got this far, so be warned. It's also worth noting that this guide finishes long before the game does, so it doesn't give anything away there. Seattle Day 1 on foot safe. You'll want this safe cracked so you can get at the powerful hunting pistol early. Almost as soon as you get out of the boat hangar, you'll find a small cabin you can only get into by breaking a window. Inside, you'll find a note mentioning some stashed guns locked away with the big win as the combination. That's the ringed lotto number on the notice board, 173807. The safe is in the building opposite as you come out of the cabin, and you can reach it through the hole by these pallets. Inside, you'll find the hunting pistol and some ammo. Hostile Territory Jasmine Bakery safe. During the Hostile Territory mission, you'll reach this narrow street full of shops. There's a safe in the Jasmine Bakery in the first door on the left. To find the combination though, you'll have to leave the bakery and head into the second door on the left, which will take you into a red-themed restaurant. Head upstairs where you'll see some clickers through a floor-level opening and kill them all before going in. Jump over the street to reach the other side and you'll find the combination in a letter on this cardboard box. It's 689689. And inside the safe you'll find supplements, ammo, crafting supplies and a health bar. Seattle Day 1, the Coast Boat Safe. When you're heading through the coast you'll eventually reach a beached boat. When you go up the stairs and through the door you'll find a crossbow, and at the end of the corridor you'll find a note on a camp bed with the safe combination 907701. You'll have to work your way through the ship to reach the bridge to get to the safe, but inside you'll find scrap, supplements and a training manual which will unlock the ordnance upgrades and improve your crafting skills. Seattle Day 2, the Shortcut Apartment Safe. When you're heading out to reach the sky bridges, you'll pass through these apartments. In the first room, you'll find a letter that mentions supplies in a safe and a combination that combines room numbers. The safe itself is in the bedroom, and if you look outside, you'll see you're in apartment 302 and the neighbours are in apartment 304, giving you the combination 302-304. Inside is scrap, ammo and crafting supplies. Seattle Day 3, the Descent Gym Safe. After you fall into a swimming pool from the sky bridges, you'll find yourself in a gym. The safe is in this small storeroom just in front of the reception desk, and if you turn right you'll find a coffee shop where on the notice board in the kitchen is a note explaining the safe code is the same as the Wi-Fi password, which is 121879. Inside the safe you'll find supplements and crafting supplies. Those are all the safes and codes you need for The Last of Us 2, which should earn you a trophy for your troubles, as well as the resources and gear. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and make sure you never miss out from Games Radar.